So the tech industry is obviously a very wide, consists of a very wide range of companies. It's of all shapes and sizes with all sorts of solutions. But I think what we have seen is that technology is a tool. It's a tool to get something done. And when you look at it that way, one of the biggest problems that is associated with that sort of a approach is that it becomes very democratized. As long as you have the money, as long as you have the means and the resources, pretty much anybody can do similar solutions or can work in similar solutions. And so some of the clients that we work with typically fall into two buckets. You either have the established organizations that have already come to market with solutions that meet particular needs, or you could be in another bucket where you are actively developing new solutions for the market. So in the first bucket, you'd have companies like Siemens or Bosch, or Apple for that matter, as a technology company. And then in the second bucket, where they're actively developing solutions, you've got, for example, companies that are actively working in the metaverse or in crypto, for example. And the problem here is that in one case, you're trying to almost build needs because they've not been well identified. And in the other case, you've got an existing legacy market where needs are supposedly identified. But the common problem they both have is that very often they don't work from the customer backwards. Because everything is so democratized, they also don't have a sustainable competitive advantage. And for me, this is one of the most common things that I see in the market today.